How to postpone/defer the evaluation of fstrings? I am using template strings to generate some files, and I love the conciseness of the new fstrings for this purpose, for reducing my previous template code from something like this. Now I can do this, directly replacing variables. However, sometimes it makes sense to have the template defined elsewhere, higher up in the code, or imported from a file or something. This means the template is a static string with formatting tags in it. Something would have to happen to the string to tell the interpreter to interpret the string as a new fstring, but I don't know if there is such a thing. Is there any way to bring in a string and have it interpreted as an fstring to avoid using the .format locals call? Ideally, I want to be able to code like this, where magic_string_function is where the part I don't understand comes in. With this desired output, without reading the file twice. But the actual output I get is
Here's a complete ideal too. It's not an fstring, it doesn't even use fstrings, but it does as requested. Syntax exactly as specified. No security headaches, since we are not using eval. It uses a little class and implements _str_, which is automatically called by print. To escape the limited scope of the class, we use the inspect module to hop one frame up and see the variables the caller has access to.
A concise way to have a string evaluated as an fstring, with its full capabilities, is using following function. Then you can do and, in contrast to many other proposed solutions, you can also do.
This means the template is a static string with formatting tags in it. Yes, that's exactly why we have literals with replacement fields in .format, so we can replace the fields whenever we like by calling format on it. Something would have to happen to the string to tell the interpreter to interpret the string as a new fstring. That's the prefix ff. You could wrap it in a function and postpone the evaluation during call time, but of course that incurs extra overhead. Which prints out but feels wrong and is limited by the fact that you can only peek at the global namespace in your replacements. Trying to use it in a situation which requires local names will fail miserably unless passed to the string as arguments, which totally beats the point. Is there any way to bring in a string and have it interpreted as an fstring to avoid using the format locals call? Other than a function, limitations included? Nope, so might as well stick with .format.
How about